Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can block a number on Android. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you have to do is simply go ahead, go to your contacts. I'm showing you in my iOS device, but blocking is simply the same for any other mobile phone as well. So you have to just go ahead, go to your contacts. You can go to contacts directly, or you can go to this call log section, and from this section go ahead, find a contact, or you can go to this contact section and search one. So let's say these are the options. I have this particular contact that I would like to block. So all you have to do is tap on them, and from this section simply have to scroll, and you will find a block option right over here. I can see here it's in the bottom. You might have a little different kind of options in the order available, but you will definitely find this block contact option. So go ahead, tap on it, tap on block contact, and your contact will be blocked. That's how easy it is to do so, even if it's on Android or even it's an iOS. You just have to go ahead, go to your contact section, choose a contact for you, and go to the block contact section and tap on it and confirm, and you're good to go. So that's all you need to do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.